Façade gommage projects ultrafine dry powder onto the areas to be cleaned, dispersing them under low pressure across the surface. The powder is very light but sharp and has enough mass and energy to cut through the dirt but without affecting the stone in any way. The airborne particles are then captured in the vacuum cabin and moistened with a water spray before flushed through a hose to a containment system at ground level for recycling. Unlike other masonry cleaning systems, Façade gommage offers an exceptionally eco-friendly cleaning solution. The process does not require water or chemicals. The powders that are used are either biodegradable or have been made from recycled materials. The spent powder and the dirt from the building are eventually recycled for inclusion within Type 1 aggregate. Reduced site traffic due to the lack of scaffolding lorries. Façade gommage, the award-winning way to protect the past.